there are places where the land still feels wild, untouched, endless. Powwatka Ranch, 9,457 acres in the heart of Oregon's Blue Mountains, where time slows and the landscape speaks. Ridges rise and fall like waves of stone. Timbered slopes give way to open fields. Light moves across the grass and everything feels alive. Along the northern boundary, the Grande Ronde River winds and turns. Steelhead, salmon, bass, trout, a living current beneath the cliffs. Here, the wild still belongs. Elk in the shadows, deer on the ridges, and upland birds in steep terrain. 5 landowner tags for elk and deer, but the real trophy is the silence, the space, and the privilege of being here. For generations, the Wallowa band of Nez Perce moved through these canyons, rivers, and ridges, living with the seasons. One of their guiding landmarks was Powwatka Ridge, meaning high cleared ground where a view could be had. A place of passage and perspective, it still shapes the character of this country. At the heart of the ranch, an owner's home. Multiple guest cabins built for family, friends, and the quiet freedom found here. And when the sky calls, a private, paved airstrip, 2 hangars waiting beneath the wind. The West keeps changing, but its heart stays the same. Good land, good people, and the legacy they build together. This is Powwatka Ranch, 9,457 acres of Oregon's untamed heart. A legacy of land and a life well lived.